There really isn't any limitations when it comes to the trumpet. You can play all styles, from jazz to orchestral to Latin music to pop music. So it's a really cool instrument for sure. I'm a religious person, so I usually play at my mass on Sunday mornings. But that Sunday, I did not feel well towards the end. My couch to my door was like 5 steps. It took all my willpower to get up and take those 5 steps. And then that's whenever my friends and my band director were able to come. And my director said, okay, supposedly he said, let's get him to a hospital, like now. My name is Adiel Nahera. I'm currently a student at UK, second year doctoral student in the music department. My primary instrument is trumpet. And back in April, I had multiple strokes. I'm very grateful to my group of friends and my band director that were able to be there in my apartment and literally save my life. They took me to the hospital and I had brain surgery. And then from there, it's just been a long road of recovery. During those first few months, whatever, it was very difficult to do even like the smallest thing, like even just walking 5 steps to the bathroom. I had to have a whole team surrounding me to make sure I could do that. There was a point where my family didn't think I was gonna be able to play again. But now I can play again. It's difficult to know that, at least right now, I'm not at the same place or stage as I was before. I'm 25, it might take me 20 years to fully come back. Whether or not I like that timeline, I have to understand I'm able to do something still and still make an impact, hopefully. If I move someone to enjoy the music, to improve their lives, just one person, even out of 1,000, I've done my job correctly. I can feel happy about it. I can go on to the next thing. Just playing in general is just the best feeling in the world, no matter what instrument. But in my case, when I'm playing trumpet, it's amazing. I'm very grateful. The doctors from inpatient to outpatient were able to go with me and get me better. There's no words that can describe it, but it was beyond wonderful what they're able to do.